Do you want to create a series of animated videos with just a single 360 photo? This time and labor saving effect can be generated with one click by opening the Shot Lab on the One R and using Spin View. And in this video, I'm going to show you just how to do that. So let's go. What you'll need is the One R, the Invisible Selfie Stick, and the mounting bracket too, if you're using the One R, and of course the Insta360 One R itself. Oh, and if you're wondering how this works or if it works with photos from the One X, be sure to watch the whole video and I will show you what happens when you try and do that. Now I'm going to skip forward to the bit where you've already taken the photo, but if you're still about to do that, then make sure you choose HDR mode on your One R for the best results. And as a side note, you might be familiar with a lot of what I'm about to show you and the sorts of effects that you can get if you're a user of the Theta Plus app. You've been able to do this for a while now using that, but it's nice that you're now able to do this natively in the One R app too. It just makes it easy, and that's a lot of what the One R is about. Once you've taken your photo and you've selected one that you're happy with, and making sure you're looking at this in the One R app, then tap on Story, then Shot Lab, and then find Spin View just here. Tap Use this theme and then select the photos you want to use. Once you've picked the theme you want, then choose the aspect ratio you want to export to. It's most likely you'll be using this socially, so figure out if you want to post this in a story type format, nice and long, or perhaps a square post format for something like Instagram. And the beauty is you can just export the same thing twice using different aspect ratios, or the same photo using different themes. You'll find 8 templates here that you can use, including circle of 3 to 6 people, sky, tiny planet, fade, and all of these that you can see here and in your app. So there's a lot of variations you can use, and here's a few to show you what you can achieve. Let's go. Super simple, super effective, and a breeze to use. Now, if you've taken 360 photos on your One X and you want to import them into the One R app to try this feature, then this is what happens when you try it. Now, I don't really know why this is happening, but I suspect it's to do with the different depths of the cameras, meaning that the stitching line is really quite different and in a different place, which then messes up the stitching for the animation of the photo into this video effect. But don't worry, remember the Theta Plus app I mentioned earlier in this video? That works just fine with photos from the One X, so you can use that no problems for the same effect with this camera. Check out my video here for my first impressions of the One R, and also how I linked up the headphones like the AirPods Pro or the Beats X and how they perform with the One R as a microphone. I think you'll be surprised. Thanks for watching. My name's Saab Johal, and good night.